video. Hey, very nice, huh?
They are professional, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's professional. Why? Why not? Have you seen her now? How do you look at her?
Yeah, they are good.
She's clever.
Also, the other lady is very good, huh?
Yeah, even the lady is very beautiful. But the beautiful teeth. Have you seen?
Có gì đâm gì nữa.
It's good. This is not the same with that.
Baby, I love your eyes.
Not like the same James, huh? Magandang araw mga kabayan. Ito nga pala si Tangkad. Hello James.
Yes.
Do you think they can still recognize you?
I don't know.
You cut your hair.
I don't know.
Nagpagupit eh.
They will think.
You look different now.
They will think that I'm the brother of James. Brother for James.
No, you don't look like the same James, huh?
Yeah.
Different James now.
Different James.
When did you cut your hair?
Seen you gone. I think the time you went there, the time they brought for us contract. So Ater was telling me, if you don't
cut your hair,
I will not give you contract.
really, huh?
So I went to cut my hair.
And why did you go to Juba?
Because of this one, marriage.
Because it's free, huh?
It's free, but also I need to.
I know it's free because you went there because they have a car, huh?
It's the one who called me, but I was planning to go there.
Really, huh?
Because there is my sister want
To marry.
and now they say that this marriage will be pushed to Yerul.
Ural.
Yeah. Now they are going.
Where's your sister in Juba?
No, it's in Kampala. They will brother.
In Kampala. Okay, we continue there in the workshop.
Eh?
We will continue in the workshop. Kanina hindi naman kami masyadong busy, kaya nagkaroon kami ng time para makapagtsaa doon sa may yung pinupuntahan namin madalas. Doon kami nagtsatsaa. At nakita ko gumagawa sila doon ng kisra. Nagpaalam naman ako doon sa may-ari. Sabi ko baka ako pwedeng videohan. Kaya binidyohan ko.
Video. Hey, very nice, huh?
They are professional, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's professional. Why? Why not? Have you seen her now? How do you look at her?
Yeah, they are good.
She's clever.
Also, the other lady is very good, huh?
Yeah, even the lady is very
Also
beautiful.
very good.
But the beautiful teeth. Have you seen?
Có gì đâm gì nữa.
It's good. This is not the same with that.
Baby, I love your eyes.
Not like the same James, huh?
You don't know how to make it. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Ganyan lang pala yung ginagawa nilang pagluluto dyan. Kapag luto na, pinapaangkat lang nila ng konti yung kabilang side, tapos kinakamay lang nila yung pagkuha. At ang sabi ni James, marunong din daw siya magluto nun. Kaya sinubukan niya. Marunong daw siyang magluto niyan. Tingnan natin kung paano gagawin.
Ini kedua dah buat dia. Dam kan. Iya dam kan cakang kan dia dong. Mejannya ni.
I'll go on the other side.
Ayo. Jangan mid dikit. Anu.
You will eat that one, James.
Kira dia ada cara iban. Jadi iban. Dia dulu.
This guy, you don't know how to make it. Have you seen her?
I know.
You don't know how to make it.
Oh. Like that?
Jagat. Mama, tinggal jalan.
Rana juga.
Who will eat that one, James?
You make it. What you are doing is
Kanina, nung pumunta kami doon, malapit lang kasi sa may airport yun eh. Diyan lang sa may likuran yun, no? Yun ang mga restaurant dito lang sa gawin dito. Mayroon na ng mga nagsasayaw-sayaw doon sa airport. Mayroon na ng mga paparating na VIP. Pero konti lang, yung mga dancer kanina, iilan lang sila eh. Hindi kagaya ng mga nakaraan na sobrang dami nila. Para nga pala doon sa mga bago lang sa channel natin, lagi silang merong ganyan dito sa may airport. Lalo na pag merong nga dumarating na mga VIP, madaming sumasalubong na mga sumasayaw. Minsan naman kagaya niyan, ano yata yan, ang sabi nila, merong darating na ikakasal. Yung lalaki daw, yung parating. Kaya may mga sumalubong. At ngayon, maagang umuwi, nagpaalam sa akin, may laro daw sila ngayon ng football. Player kasi ng football yun eh. At dito, uso rin yung mga paliga ng football. Parang sa atin yung mga basketball. Dito, usong-uso yan. Football naman. At yan lang po muna sa ngayon mga kabayan. Sana po nagustuhan nyo rin yung shinare ko ngayon kahit na medyo maiksi lang. Sa ngayon kasi medyo busy pa kami dito sa workshop eh. Kaya hindi pa kami masyadong makapagsingit ng makag-video. At maraming salamat po doon sa mga laging nanonood ng mga ina-upload ko.